out your work gloves. Today we're going to learn about fall lawn renovation.
Come on down to the grass pad. The grass pad's high on grass.
Hi, I'm Robin with the Grass Pad. Today I'm going to share with you Uncle's idiot-proof steps on how to overseed your lawn this fall. First step is to get outside and measure your lawn. You don't know how much seed and fertilizer to buy if you don't know how much area you're covering. Measure your lawn area width and length to determine the square footage. An easy way to do this is just step it off, knowing that the average stride is about 3 feet. Round your numbers up. We just have to be close, we don't have to be exact. Make sure you write your numbers down. The next step is to decide which type of grass will do best in your yard. Here in the Midwest, the cool season grasses are the most popular, which means heat wave fescue or blue wave bluegrass. Grass seed blends containing bluegrasses like our blue wave or our state mix tend to make the prettiest lawns and perform best in full sun. Blends containing fescues like our heat wave or our macho mix make the toughest lawns and will tolerate both sun and shade. It's important to know that all of the grass seeds we sell at Grass Pad are held to a very high standard. They are laboratory tested for purity and university tested for performance. To learn more about grass seed spreading rates, check out our Seed Now guide available at all Grass Pad locations. Or check out our online guide to buying grass seed by clicking on the link on your screen. When you're ready, just come on down to the Grass Pad and don't forget your measurements. Now that you've picked out your grass seed, you'll want to mow your lawn nice and short. We call this the low mow. Adjust your mower 1 or 2 notches lower than normal, being careful not to scalp your lawn. Remove the clippings and debris by bagging them or raking them. We need the grass seed to make contact with the soil. Look for any bare spots in the yard. Take a rake or a garden weasel and scratch up the surface. This will help the seed make contact with the soil and improve germination. Now grab the grass seed and pour it into the spreader. Always make sure your spreader is clean and doesn't have any chemical residue in it. Open the spreader to about 40% open when overseeding your lawn. Run the spreader over the yard, making 2 passes on the thin or bare areas. All bare areas should have this much seed on them. Fill your spreader with golf course starter fertilizer or Loveland Renovator if you have a bigger yard. Keep your spreader setting at 40% open and make 1 pass through the yard. Now that we have our seed and fertilizer down, we need to cover the bare areas with a little bit of seed cover, just enough to hide the seed. Remember, if you can see the seed, it won't germinate. The 2 products that work best are Primera One Sports Field Conditioner or Sphagnum Peat Moss. These are both 100% weed-free. Avoid using topsoil, bagged peat moss, or composts as they contain weed seeds. Seed covers help the seed stay consistently moist and keep the seed from blowing or washing away. Sports Field Conditioner works great on muddy spots, slopes, and areas where you can't avoid some light foot traffic. The next and most important step is to water the new grass seed. Keep the seed consistently moist for it to germinate. This means on hot, windy days, you'll need to water several times a day for 5 to 10 minutes. After you see the grass seed start to sprout, reduce the watering frequency, but increase the amount of water. For example, instead of watering 2 to 3 times a day for 5 to 10 minutes, start watering 2 to 3 times per week for 20 or 30 minutes. We want to start training those roots to look deeper for water. Mow the new grass as it reaches a height of 2.5 to 3 inches. Mowing promotes root growth for healthy grass establishment. 4 weeks after seeding, it's time to get the spreader back out and feed the new lawn. Apply golf course starter fertilizer or Loveland Renovator and then apply a 1/2 inch of water. During late fall before the soil freezes, apply Snowman Winter Root Builder. This encourages root growth, promotes drought and disease tolerance, and helps with early spring green up. Thanksgiving Day is a good reminder to put your snowman down. And there you have it, Uncle's idiot-proof steps to fall lawn renovation. If you have any questions on the steps or about something we didn't cover, find us on Facebook, visit our webpage, or use our Ask Uncle link below. Thanks for watching.
Come on down to the grass pad. The grass pad's high on grass. Heat wave! Spread heat wave grass seed. Beats the sun and finishes strong. Come on down to the grass pad. The grass pad's high on grass.